Hi guys, it's Tony here, and we're looking at something you might have seen around, and that's called the bonus bag. These are all Chinese made products, and what I want to know is, are they worth £1? It says #1 value brand, but value is one thing, but if it doesn't work, it's selecthardware.co.uk anyway. We're talking about door stoppers here. So for £1 you get 2 door stoppers. Looks good, doesn't it, guys? Yeah, until you take a closer look. It's hollow inside, so that's not solid. So anything like that will just go straight under. So there you go. Chinese garbage. There you go. Straight across. So the wing gets behind that. So you're going to have to put that wedged up. But you can see that has to be completely solid. It's the rubber on it feels okay. In fact, it's hollow. So yeah, more Chinese garbage. So you've got 2 in a pack, basic rubbish. As I said, it's almond coloured, but it's rubbish. And sometimes you get bigger wedges under doors, you know what I mean, where it's been planed, but look at that. Total garbage, a waste of a good £1. Do yourselves a favour, guys, spend 3 times the money and at least it'll work. You see these kicking around in most DIY stores because basically they bolster up the profits. Another £1, made for 10pence in good old Ching Chunky China. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, catch you later.